Gentle Giving. Title: Gentle Giving, a story about being kind even when others aren't. Ali the owl, who was street smart and calm and full of wisdom, flew down beside him. He blinked his big eyes and said, Buzz sighed. Ali, I found something really special yesterday. Soft sheep wool from a nearby farm. The sheep had been sheared, and the wool was just lying on the ground. I thought, hey, this would be perfect for my cousin's nest. Ali hooted gently. That was very thoughtful of you. Buzz frowned. He didn't say thank you. He just looked at the wool and said, why would you bring me this? Then he flew away. And how did that make you feel? Buzz looked up. What? I know, said Ali. When we give, we hope for kindness back. But sometimes, people don't have that kindness ready to give. That's when being gentle matters most. Ali chuckled. No, I mean gentle inside. Like being patient. Like not getting angry when someone is rude. Gentle like a feather landing on a pillow. Ali smiled. Right. Giving is also about how you treat them when they don't say thank you. Being a giver means being kind even when others aren't. That's what makes your gift even more powerful. Ali nodded. Yes, you're already good at giving. Now you can grow your heart even more, with patience and understanding. Ali gave a soft hoot. Now that is the wisdom of a gentle giver.